Next, we have the stay in draw mode too. So if we just come out of this magnetic mode and select stay in drawing mode, what this does is it'll ensure that your drawing tool does not get deselected once you have drawn a line. So for example, if I select this trend line and I draw a trend line in freehand mode, I will be able to draw another trend line without reselecting the tool again. So I can draw another trend line here, and I can actually draw another trend line here. So as you can see, the drawing mode is handy if you want to carry on using a specific tool, and this will work for any of the tools. So if I came here and I changed the tool to the horizontal ray, if I wanted to draw one right here, I can draw another one at the bottom right here, and it will remain in drawing mode. Whereas if drawing mode is not selected, if I select a tool from here, let's say if we draw a vertical line, if I draw a vertical line right here, if I move and I want to draw another vertical line right here, I can't. If I click, nothing happens. Whereas if I'm in drawing mode, I would have been able to draw these vertical lines as often as I wanted, because the item would still be selected. The tool that I would have selected will still be selected as long as I'm in drawing mode.